everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see by the title, this is going to be a wig review slash install, a little bit of a tutorial on how I do it. This is from YOLOVA. The packaging is so pretty. As you can see, you get a cute little sachet there, or sack. You get some trinkets, some eyelashes, some tweezers, and a wig cap, the nude color one. Those tweezers are the bomb, by the way. Like, they snatch quite well. And this unit is the Loose Deep 13 by 4, 150 density, natural black, and 22 inches. And it is so pretty. That's the lace, very transparent. I think it's HD. I have to double check. That's the amount of combs you get. Even though I really don't use all the combs, I will use the two on the side sometime. But when it's a frontal, you honestly don't need those combs. You can actually cut them out. What I'm going to do now is just start to pluck, because this wig, as stated, is very dense. The hairline is very thick, and honestly, I need to pluck some more. But with me, I know it's a wig, so I'm not really trying to make it not look like one so much. Just try to make it look as natural as possible. That's what I do. Like, so you're going to hear me say this later on when I start actually talking in the video, but I don't go way out. I am going to bleach the knots, and I'm using the by Jen there, and it is blue in color. Works quite well. I end up actually dyeing some of the knots, so I'll have to fix that. I may repeat that later on as well. I typically don't show all this on my channel, and I'm going to start to do more wig reviews. So that's the result, and I'm going to wash it out here with this Matrix brass off. And I did do a review when my hair was honey blonde on here. This is amazing. Now we're going to get right into styling it, and hope you stick around for the finished results and check out some of my personality. That's why my channel is called Neferpersona. Enjoy. Alright, I have my hair sleeked back, and what we're going to do is put on my cap. I don't do the ball cap thing that most people do on here because I don't wear my wigs overnight. So I'm just going to slide this back a little bit, so a little bit of my hairline is exposed. And I've already went around my perimeter. Don't have any makeup on yet. I have this, I have some of this, and I have this. See how I went in there and plucked all that part out, and I did end up dyeing some of this hair on accident. Go get some color to color it. It's freshly washed. I'm gonna go ahead and slip it on. And I went ahead and put it on so I can see where I wanted that part that looks like just flesh. It may be too wide though. I don't know. I don't know if that looks too wide or not. But I also use this to make the curls pop. VO5. I have water. And I have some wig shine. And of course you'll need a brush. So let's get started. I want to show you how long the unit is before I do anything. It's right here. I am 5 feet even, so it's pretty long. It's right there on me. It's a lot of hair. It may need some more plucking up there. So I'm just gonna comb this hair back out of the way. I know I don't show me styling wigs that much on my channel because I figured there's so many, but this was sent to me. I'm so thankful. I've received a lot of nice wigs that I've only had to take pictures for. Not necessarily do reviews. So I'm going to take this water and just use it to... I think this cap is a little bit too big for my head, but we're going to make it work. So just brush back all these loose hairs out of the way. And see, my ear is right here, so I will have to cut all of that off. It's definitely big head friendly, so if you have a big watermelon head, it's gonna do great for you. You got that dome, as Martin would say. Dome thugs in harmony. Now, like I said, I'm going to have to, these little flowery hairs just get to me. I'm going to have to cut off a lot of this. Like I said, I don't do the ball caps. I don't shriek that I'm cutting this lace already. Don't shriek. Be extremely careful when you're doing this. I've been wearing lace wigs since, like, I don't know, as long as I can remember. Like I said, they're not really big on my channel, but since it's getting cold outside, I'm going to start to pull them out. And I call them hair hats. I got this from this lady that worked with us. And she about like me, you know, only pulling them out in the winter time. So you have extra warmth on your head. Don't click off yet. Be patient. Be patient. You still watching? Alright. I'm old school, so I usually already have this done, but since I'm doing a review, I'll go ahead and show you the whole shebang. Now what I may have to do is take this off to cut these tabs. Whew. That ear is free. Cut quite a bit of hair with it, but it's fine. Loose me. Okay, now let's do this one. Whew. Now I'm going to have to brush this out because there's a lot of loose hair. And then we'll get started with the styling process. So much loose hair. Alright, and for those that will just wear it in a natural state like this, or the brushed out stage, it's very soft. See how I just glides my hand through it? And it's going to shed, of course, because I just cut it up. So, but when I was washing it, I didn't notice a lot. Just going to be honest. So now, this loose hair. I don't know about you guys, but like loose hair gives me the heebie-jeebies. But let's get this thing popping. Let's get her popping. So it's my baby's birthday, of course, and she's 5 today. We'll have a big birthday bash this weekend. I will record it. It's gonna be awesome. She's ready. I can tell you that. She's trying to have a birthday party today. I'm like, no, we're not having a birthday party today. Whew. I'm going to use this first. And this is the Got To Be Glue spiking glue. I like it because it's really thick. And remember, ladies, I said, and I will put a little bit on the wig cap like this. I said this is not a glue down type method, and I don't mind if it gets all the way out here. I don't mind because you're going to wipe it off. No, I can't sleep with this thing on. We will be fighting. Hands down, a lot of hair. I'm about to buzz mine off. It has grown out so much. I've been using the rice water and aloe vera. And that stuff works, like, no joke. It works. And I'm just using some Eco Styler to lay these sides down. Not using anything all that fancy at all. Yeah, I think it needs some more plucking, but that's fine. Yeah, it needs a lot more plucking. Like a lot more. But we all know it's a wig, right? I know it's one, so I'm not really tripping. I'm not tripping at all. Hope you guys had a fantabulous Halloween. I'm just gonna put some of this stuff out and let it work its magic right there. The sideburn. Get the rest of it right there. Look at that. Curls already forming. Stuff is amazing. Okay. I want to come in with some of this one. Just block. I need this a little bit. I like to put this right in the front. Like right in the front. I don't want this video to be too long, but try to keep it under 15 minutes. Sometimes you can't get it under 15 minutes though. Well, I'm finished getting it wet. Look at the difference. And we're gonna come in with some of this conditioner. The camera stopped as soon as I put it in my hand. So, and you're just gonna rake it through. I got my little tie downer on here. These are just some barber strips. And this is what we're looking at. I'm gonna come in with some of this wig shine while it's damp. And I really like to just kind of spray it on my hands because it could get kind of heavy. Okay, so just gonna clean up, fix my face up a little bit, and we will be back. You can see the finished result. Alright ladies, if you're interested in getting this wig, my code Nefer is in the description box as well as a link to the wig. This is the bomb, and once again, this is the 13x4 loose deep unit. If you're interested, the code is in the box. Nefer. Very light, very fluffy. Curls are holding up. It's not all the way dry. It's not all the way dry at all, but it's fine. I didn't even use this. I didn't even need it. But it's very, very nice. Thank you again, once again, YOLOVA, for reaching out. Hopefully we can do more collabs together in the future. But definitely, 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 definitely give this wig an A+. If you want to pull this hair back, you could. It does have the netting on the back if you want to pull it up. But I'm fine with it just like this. Free flowing type of person. So yeah, like I said, I may go in and pluck her just a little bit more, but like I said, I'm not the type of person that go too far out of the way to try to make it seem like it's not a wig. It's a wig. I know it's a wig. It's going to be a wig, regardless of what you do to it. It's a wig. So you can go all out if you want and do all that extra ball capness and all that. But like I said, I don't do it because I can't sleep with this on my head. This comes off. It'll be molded like this already. So all I have to do is put it back on my head and kind of reactivate the gel with a damn cloth. Tie something around it while I'm getting ready in the morning. And we're done. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. And we're done. I have time for that. I have a 4-year-old that's running around the house. Well, a 5-year-old now. Today's her birthday. I keep forgetting. So yeah. So definitely give YOLOVA a go. I definitely give it a thumbs up. Like, I have another unit that's similar to this one, but this one is even more lighter. So if this was something you would like to see more of, just let me know. I have so many different types of wigs that I wear. You know, like I said, you just don't see them all on my channel. You see some and not all, because I'm all about my crochet braids. My birthday is coming up here on the 15th. I will be the big 4-4. So stay tuned for that. I do know what I'm going to do to my hair, but as far as what I'm going to do for that day, I don't know yet. So stay tuned. No, I'm spontaneous. I try not to do a lot of plans. So thank you. See you guys in the next upload, whenever they may be. I do upload weekly. What day? Who knows? Whatever day I have time. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Smooches.